I'm Justin with Affordable Medical. I'm going to show you pretty much everything on the GB120, starting with your speed. You got your rabbit, and you got your turtle, fast and slow, on-off key, battery indicator, horn, headlights, throttle, reverse, forward, USB for a phone charger. This is where you charge the batteries. To fold the basket, you push up here. This just pushes up, and you'll fold it in. And it clicks in. To unfold it, you pull this lever down, and this will fold back down. Show you, take the seat off. You got your yellow lever, you pull up. These tabs, you pull them out. You got to fold. Pull it up, you can just pull here. Take the battery out. Push. You have another spot to charge it here. Put the seat back on. So just lever back up again. Make sure you pull it down. Put the battery back in. This is a neutral switch, so now you can push it free wheel. Engage is in drive. And it only works if the battery's in it. If you take the battery out, it will not work. It stays in drive.